First at noon to Detroit, where Governor Whitmer joined nearly 5 million other Michigan residents and got her first COVID shot. The governor was at Ford Field this morning. That's the mass vaccination clinic in Detroit. She got the shot alongside her 19-year-old daughter, who just became eligible for the shot yesterday. So far, Michigan has received more than 5.6 million COVID-19 vaccine doses, and more than 4.7 million of those have been administered.
36% of the population over the age of 16 has gotten at least one shot. The goal is to reach 70% of the population. The governor once again urged everyone to get vaccinated as soon as possible.
These are miracles of modern science. It's really a phenomenal thing when you stop to think about it. They're the most effective way to protect ourselves and our loved ones and to get our whole world back to some normalcy. So it's essential that we all get vaccinated so we can get that normalcy, we can hug one another, get back to work, make sure our kids stay in school and able to play sports and be together again. There is light at the end of this tunnel, but we are sober about the fact that we are still very much in the tunnel. The only way out is if we work together and everyone does their part, and that means continuing to mask up, washing our hands, social distancing, and crucially, getting vaccinated as soon as you can.
Let's get you the latest COVID numbers in our state. 21 deaths were recorded over the weekend, but the daily average is trending down. The state also recorded about 10,000 more cases of COVID as well, but the daily case average compared to this time last week is down. The positive rate of testing is still going in the wrong direction. You can see on this graph that it's nowhere near the benchmark health officials want it at. Currently, it sits around 17%. Before the governor got her first shot, Governor Whitmer took questions from reporters. It was her first time taking questions about COVID in nearly 3 weeks, and she was asked about our state's surge in cases and if she's considering putting restrictions back in place.
The problem is, fatigue, mobility, and variance. And we've got all of those things working against us here in Michigan right now. There's not the policy problem. Some said, maybe you could do a little tweaking around it, but taking steps back wasn't going to fix the issue. What we have to do is really put our foot down on the pedal on vaccine and implore people to do what we know keeps us safe. Masking, distancing, hand washing.